Figma Design Tool Honest Review Usage Experience. Links to products and related resources have been added in the description. After extensively testing Figma in real UI/UX design and product development workflows, it's clear this tool is the industry standard for interface design, prototyping, and real-time collaboration. It is built specifically for designers, developers, and product teams who need a shared space to create, test, and refine digital products efficiently without constantly switching between multiple tools. Let's start with the core features. Figma is a browser-based design platform that allows you to create wireframes, high-fidelity UI designs, and interactive prototypes all in one place. One of its strongest advantages is real-time collaboration, where multiple users can work on the same file simultaneously, leave comments, and iterate instantly. It also includes powerful features like components, auto layout, and design systems, which allow teams to build reusable elements and maintain consistency across large projects. Dev mode is another major feature, giving developers direct access to design specs, assets, and CSS-like details, which significantly improves handoff between design and development. On top of that, Figma supports plugins, version history, and cloud storage, making it a complete ecosystem for modern digital product design. In real-world usage, Figma performs extremely well for both solo designers and large teams. For freelancers, it provides everything needed to design professional-grade interfaces without installing heavy software. For companies, it becomes even more powerful because it eliminates version confusion and allows teams to iterate in real time. The collaboration system is arguably its biggest strength, making it the default tool for startups, agencies, and enterprise product teams worldwide. However, performance can sometimes become an issue in very large files, especially when design systems grow complex or when working with heavy components in browser environments. Another important factor is the learning curve. While basic usage is simple, drag, drop, and design, advanced features like auto layout, constraints, and component variants require time to fully master. But once learned, they dramatically increase productivity and consistency. Pricing is another consideration. There is a generous free tier, but advanced collaboration, organization-level features, and scaling tools require paid plans, which can become expensive for large teams. So who is Figma actually made for? This platform is designed for UI/UX designers, product teams, developers, startups, and creative agencies who need structured, collaborative design workflows. It is not just for making visuals, it is for building full product interfaces and systems collaboratively from idea to development handoff. For casual users or simple graphic design needs, it can feel like overkill. Overall, Figma is the most powerful and widely adopted interface design tool in the industry today. It excels in collaboration, workflow efficiency, and scalability, making it essential for modern product design teams. While it has a learning curve and can struggle with extremely large projects, its benefits far outweigh its limitations. If you are building digital products or working in a team environment, Figma is not just useful, it is the standard.